If your peace lily looks like this right now, drooping, yellow, and completely lifeless, do not give up on it just yet.
Most people make the terrible mistake of thinking their plant is dead, so they wrap it in a trash bag and throw it away. But 90% of the time, your peace lily is not dead at all. It is just being incredibly dramatic, and it is starving for one specific vital nutrient. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how a single free ingredient from your kitchen can bring a dying peace lily back to life, making it stand up proud and vibrant in just a few hours. And no, you do not need to spend a single dollar at a garden center, and you do not need any expensive chemical fertilizers. Everything you need is already sitting in your kitchen right now.
But before I reveal this secret ingredient and show you the exact protocol, you absolutely need to understand why your peace lily is failing in the first place. If you don't fix the root cause, no miracle ingredient will save it permanently.
Many plant owners get frustrated because they follow standard advice that actually makes the plant worse.
First, let's clear up the 3 biggest myths that are silently killing your peace lily.
Myth number 1. The peace lily is a swamp plant, so it loves soggy soil. This is false. While they are tropical, they need drainage.
If your soil is constantly sitting in water, you are not hydrating the plant. You're suffocating it.
The roots need oxygen to breathe. Without air in the soil, you get root rot, and that is a death sentence. Myth number 2. Direct sunlight will help it grow faster.
Absolutely not.
Peace lilies are understory plants. In nature, they live beneath the massive canopy of tall trees. Direct sunlight will burn their delicate leaves in minutes, turning them brown and crispy. They thrive in filtered, indirect light. Myth number 3. All yellow leaves mean the plant needs more water. This is the most dangerous assumption. Yellow leaves are often a sign of root stress, lack of nutrients, or too much water. If you see yellow, stop and look at the soil before you reach for the watering can.
Now, why is your plant actually dying?
Peace lilies are incredibly heavy feeders. They are hungry plants. When they are in a small pot, they quickly strip the soil of all its available nitrogen and minerals. Over time, that soil becomes compact, hard, and alkaline. When the soil hardens, the roots can no longer penetrate it to reach moisture. The plant sends out a signal, the dramatic drooping, telling you, "I am thirsty, but I cannot drink." So, how do we fix this? We need to change the soil chemistry and provide a massive, immediate, and organic energy boost. Here is the golden secret that professional nurseries don't want you to know. The ultimate rescue remedy is right inside your morning coffee routine. The miracle ingredient is used coffee grounds. Yes, leftover coffee grounds that you usually throw into the garbage every single morning. If you love simple, free hacks like this to save your plants, take a quick second to hit that like button right now and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our weekly plant care secrets. Now, pay very close attention. Do not just dump hot coffee or fresh, unused coffee grounds directly onto your plant, or you will shock the roots and kill it instantly. Fresh coffee grounds are far too acidic and contain active caffeine that can actually stunt growth. You must strictly use leftover brewed coffee grounds that have already been used to make coffee and have completely cooled down to room temperature. Why do coffee grounds work like magic specifically for peace lilies? Because they are packed with high amounts of nitrogen, magnesium, and potassium. These are the exact 3 elements a peace lily desperately needs to rebuild its cellular structure, develop deep, glossy green leaves, and trigger those beautiful, iconic white blooms. Even better, As the used coffee grounds break down, they slightly acidify the soil and improve its texture, perfectly mimicking the rich, organic, tropical rainforest floor that this plant naturally craves. Here is exactly how to apply this kitchen hack safely for an instant rescue. Step 1. Take 2 tablespoons of your dried, used coffee grounds. Make sure they are not soaking wet or slimy. Spread them on a paper towel for a few hours to let them dry out. This is a critical step to prevent mold from growing on your soil surface. Step 2. Take a small fork or a garden tool and very gently scratch the grounds into the top inch of your pot's soil. Be incredibly careful not to dig too deep because you do not want to damage the delicate surface roots of the plant.
Gently incorporate the grounds with the existing dirt.
Step 3. Make sure the coffee grounds do not directly touch the main green stems of the plant. Keep them scattered around the soil, like a ring, a few inches away from the center. Once the coffee grounds are mixed in, it is time for the final step. Water your peace lily, but do not use cold tap water straight from the sink. Tap water contains chlorine and fluoride, which peace lilies absolutely hate, and which cause those ugly brown tips on the leaves. Instead, use filtered water, rainwater, or tap water that has been sitting out in an open container for 24 hours so the chemicals can evaporate. Pour the water slowly until it runs out of the drainage holes at the bottom of the pot. Now, place your plant in a spot with bright, indirect sunlight, and just wait. Within 4 to 6 hours, you will witness something absolutely incredible. The nitrogen boost will rapidly stimulate the root system, allowing the plant to pump moisture back into its cells. The stems will literally start to lift themselves up, the leaves will uncurl, and your peace lily will look vibrant, strong, and full of life again. But recovery is only the beginning. To maintain this health and keep it blooming, you must follow a maintenance routine. Repeat this coffee ground trick only once every 2 months. If you do it more often, you will make the soil too acidic. Also, once a month, take a damp cloth with just a tiny drop of lemon juice and gently wipe the dust off your peace lily's leaves. This helps the plant photosynthesize much more efficiently, meaning it can grow faster and stronger. If you follow these steps, your peace lily will stop being dramatic and start being the star of your home. If this simple kitchen trick saved your peace lily today, please join our community by subscribing and turning on notifications so we can grow together. I have a whole library of plant-saving secrets designed for the busy plant owner. Make sure to click on the next video appearing on your screen right now to learn the secret to making your other houseplants grow twice as fast using another common household item you already have in your pantry. Click it now, and let's get your plants growing. See you in the next video!